students. How are you? Fine, very good. I'm also good. So today the date is 25th September 2020 and today the day is Friday. Our subject is EVS and in EVS we will learn about, tell me, good habits. Today we will learn about good habits. Some good habits I already told you yesterday. Like what you have to do. You have to wake up early in the morning. You have to take bath every day. You have to brush your teeth. You have to cut your nails. Fine. And moreover, you have to always help your friends. You have to help your parents also. You have to always keep your room neat and clean. All these are good habits. You should always throw the dust in the dustbin only. So these are the good habits. So you have to learn more about these good habits, right? Let's start. Now look at this page. Good habits. Put a tick on good habits and a cross on bad habits. Now, can you see the first picture? A girl is throwing the paper in the dustbin. This is good habit or bad habit? Good habit. So, we have to always throw the garbage in the dustbin only. So, we will put a tick mark because this is a good habit. Now, can you see the another picture? Two boys are fighting with each other. So what do you think? It is a good habit or bad habit? This is a bad habit. We should not fight with each other. So we have to put a cross on this box. Like this. Now, see this. What the girl is doing? She is giving respect to her elders. So we have to always respect our elders. So this is good habit or bad habit? Good habit. So put a tick mark on it. Now in another picture, two boys are playing with each other with a football. They are not fighting with each other. Happily they both are playing. This is a good habit. So we will put a tick mark. Now see the next one. What the girl is doing? Is she is, what she is doing? She is tearing the page. Do you think it is a good habit? No, this is bad habit. We have to always keep our books and notebooks to be in a safe place. So this is a bad habit. So we will mark a cross on this box. What the boy is doing? Polish his shoes. This is a good habit. So we will put a tick mark. We have to take care of our things. We have to always keep them clean. So this is a good habit. So in this way, you also have to complete this page of your EVS book. This is page number 9 of your EVS book. Complete this page. And then click the photograph, send it to me. Now, I want to tell you one thing. In this week, what we are celebrating, we are doing literary week. So tomorrow will be Friday. So you have already heard so many stories. I have already told you story of a bear, rabbit, tortoise, and in healthy also I have told you some stories. So the character which you like most, you have to play the role of that character. You also wear the costume of that particular character and then play a small role, and you have to tell some dialogues also and then send it to me. Fine. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.